Yes, good morning, happy Monday. And I just wanted to share the things that I love about this BYD Sea Lion from the context of a person who's been driving non-hybrid or non-EV vehicle for like 20 years. So I just wanted to share the great things about BYD Sea Lion 6. So, traffic naman. Yeah. Traffic naman ngayon. First thing, in no particular order, no, what I like is the syempre meron na tayong built-in na tire pressure indicator. Okay, so yung marami ngayon yung ibang units na non-hybrid, pwede kayo bumili ng mga plug-in na mga tire pressure indicator, pero syempre hindi stock pero ngayon it's there, kita mo na. Ako kasi yung one of the persons na medyo OC sa tire pressure, and it's really hard for you to manually check your tire every now and then. So in this way, you have a quick view. Alright, so accordingly, the correct tire pressure for this vehicle is around 36. So pwede na. Yeah. Number two, yung ano niya guys, yung seat, yung driver's seat specifically. Diba imagine niyo yung driver's seat ganyan, diba? Ito yung sa upuan. In BYD Sea Lion 6, you can actually, it has an 8-way power adjuster or electronic adjuster for the driver's seat. So 8-way siya, so pwedeng forward, pwede mong i-backward, no? And hindi yun manual guys dipindot yun, electric. So dalawa. Then pwede rin yung front, no, aangat, no, that's third, and then bababa mo, that's fourth. Tapos yung likod din, pwede rin 5, then 6, pwede mo rin ibaba. And then syempre yung sa back, yung sa sandalan mo, pwede mong lean forward, and then lean backward. So that's 8-way electronic adjustment for the driver's seat. So iba yung sa passenger, pero basically electronic din naman. That's number 2, the electronic. So kung sanay kayo dun sa nakasanayan niyo yung manual lang na di angat na may bakal sa ilalim, di ba? Well, maninibago kayo dito. Ang sarap pala ng feeling. So traffic, medyo traffic on the way to work. One thing I like about BYD Sea Lion 6 is na-try ko na to sa subdivision namin by driving just with one finger. Ganun siya kagaang. I'm not saying that mag-drive kayo ng one finger, pero all I'm saying is the steering is really light, no? How much more kung buong hand ang gamitin mo sa pagdadrive. Napakagaang talaga niya. Suitable siya even sa mga lady drivers natin dyan. Kasi hindi mo ramdam yung bigat ng Sea Lion 6 natin. So, yan. That's one thing I like. Nag-drive nga lang ako, ganito na lang kasi traffic, ganyan-ganyan lang. Di ba? Sarap. So, that's a third thing that I like about the Sea Lion 6. Ano pa ba yung mga basic? Siyempre, hindi mawawala yung ating hi BYD.
You can tell me.
Open the sunshade. Ayun diba? Kita naman, diba? Sunshade. So, for me, it's actually my first car to have a built-in sunshade, and it's really nice. Right? So, yeah. Meron ding sunroof, syempre, na pwede mo ring buksan. Pero, based on my observation, hindi siya yung kasing sagad ng sunshade pag binuksan mo, no? Well, at least there's like half of it na mabubuksan if you open the sunroof. So pasok na pasok siya pag sagada tayo Baguio, no? And then gusto mo ma-feel yung fog from above. Or kung makakampanya ka, pwede to, labas mo yung ulo mo. Ayun. So, what else? Malapit na tayo sa ating destination. So yun, yung dinig niya, that's a fourth thing that I like. The sunshade and the sunroof. Lakas makasasyalan. What else? The BYD assist, yung kaninang nagsasalita na girl. Hininaan ko lang yung volume niya kasi ano syempre ayokong dinig naman, no? Pwede mong buksan yung tailgate, yung trunk, I mean. Pwede mong buksan yung sunroof. Ano pa ba? Oh, yun, may warning. Isa pa yun, yung warning, guys, mamaya. Tutunog siya pag merong dumidikit sa'yo na sasakyan. The fifth, I think, ayun, going back, the fifth one that I like is the BYD Assist. It's not perfect AI. It's efficient if you're alone and it's quiet and you talk to BYD assistant. Kasi pag ano kayo, maingay, marami nag-uusap, ayun, tendency nakukonfuse siya, no? Minsan sabi niya, I don't know, I don't understand. So you might as well just use the buttons for the function that you wanted to, to execute. So that's a fifth one. Sixth one, yun nga yung warning kaninang nadinig nyo, no? May warning dito sa settings Yan. Focus lang natin. So vehicle safety assist, ito ba yun? Ayan. Ay hindi, iba yan. Ayan, mga warning, mga churva warning niya. Ayan. Alert mode, okay. Ako sound lang kasi pwedeng may vibration. Hindi ko pa na-feel yung may vibration no? Baka kasi anong mangyayari pag may vibration. Close muna natin yung sunshade. Meron naman siyang manual button here. Pwede rin naman. Pero syempre matagal. Pero just to demo, ayan. Ayan siya, nagko-close siya. Dahan-dahan lang siya. Ayan. Kung ayaw mong gamitin yung BYD Assist, pwede kang mag-manual naman. Tulad ng nabanggit ko kanina. Okay. So, may mga warning siya pag dumidikit to a certain centimeter yung vehicle, tutunog siya. So, yun yung isang nagustuhan ko, mga warnings niya. So that's the sixth one that I like. And the next one that I like is the heating, or either you heat it or add ventilation. Ako gusto ko talaga malamig. Lamigin kasi ako, no. So gusto ko yung malamig. Kita niyo yung blue. Yan, nagbo-blue na siya. So, lumalamig yung upuan ko tsaka sa dalan ko, which is fits for those persons na talagang gusto yung ganong malamig na feeling. Sa wife ko naman kasi, mahilig siya sa mainit, no? Grabe. Matutulog yan. Walang electric fan, nakakumot pa. Baliktad kami. Ako gusto ko may electric fan, no? Pero siya, kaya this BYD really fits the family kasi gusto niya mainit. So, pwede mong init. Ito, init. Tapos mamumula siya. So, iinit siya. So, yan. That's the seventh feature that I like with the BYD. Other than that, ano pa ba? Yung mga basic lang na nagustuhan ko na from the context of hindi pa naka-experience ng hybrid or EV, right? So, ito, ayan itong button na yan, pag brake ka ng hard brake, yun na yun, tatanggalin mo na yung paa mo. Ay, ano ba yun? Tatanggalin mo yun. Yeah, pag nag-hard brake ka, ganyan, yun na yung pinaka handbrake niya. Yes sir, hindi mo na kailangan gaganong-ganong ka pa, di ba, na manual. And then if you wanna go, just step on the gas. Tapos pag gusto mo uling mag-handbrake, just deep step on the brake. Ganun na siya. Ngayon, kung ayaw mo naman mag-handbrake, huwag ka steep or deep step ng brake. Hindi siya mag-handbrake. So yeah. Well, of course, dapat pinutin nyo tong yung automatic brake na yan. Yan. So yan. Aside from that, ano ba? Ang bilis niya guys. Ito in fairness. Well, ang katumbas ng makina niya is 1.5 accordingly. Parang Honda City and other 1.5 liter vehicle. Pero totoo lang, ang bilis talaga niya. Hindi siya parang 1.5 for me. Yung bilis yung horsepower niya. I'm talking about not about the numbers, but more of the feeling and then the experience na talagang iwan yung mga kasama. Hindi naman tayo nagkakarera, pero sinasabi ko lang compared to previous vehicles na na-experience ko na with the 1.5, iba yung bilis talaga niya at napakatahimik. Yun lang, if you're fond of maingay na sasakyan, I'm sorry, but this vehicle is not for you. Pero if you're the type of guy na silent lang, silent killer, silent type, well, BYD Sea Lion 6 is for you. So, it's overall, it's a luxurious, well, for me, hindi ko pa naman na-try yung mga luxurious car talaga, pero based on my experience with driving previous regular cars, for me, the bells and whistles in this vehicle, for me, is really luxurious na. With a price that is affordable. So, piluin mo, with a price tag of 1.5, 1.5, meron ka ng ganito, BYD Sea Lion 6, compared to the other EVs, other brands na EVs na I think it's around 200 to 400 difference in terms of price. So, papasok na tayo. See you around. If you're considering an EV or an hybrid, maybe this is the best time. And lastly, syempre alam na natin yan guys, wala tayong coding for now. For now, abangan lang natin after 5 years kung marami na tayong naka-EV. So, signing out, drive safe. See you around. Bye.